discuss a critical issue facing our nation, the potential adoption of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy in the Philippines, a calculated risk. Our current energy situation is indeed precarious. The Malampaya gas field, a major source of power for Luzon, is nearing depletion. This impending shortage necessitates a proactive approach to secure our nation's energy independence and economic stability. However, rushing into nuclear energy without careful consideration of the risk will be a grave mistake. The potential benefits of nuclear energy are undeniable. A consistent high-yield energy source with the lower carbon emissions than fossil fuels. This could reduce our reliance on imported energy and contribute to a cleaner environment. Where should these plants be located? Ideal location would need consider factors such as seismic activity, population density, and proximity to cooling water sources. However, even with the most careful site selection, the risk accidents remain. The nuclear power plant's effects on living things. Non-ionizing radiation, low energy. Ionizing radiation, high energy. This damage can lead to sunburns, radiation sickness, genetic mutation and birth defects, circular damage, and aging. The environment, ozone depletion down ozone molecules in the stratosphere, reducing the Earth's protection against harmful UV radiation. Climate change, infrared radiation, disruption of ecosystems. High level of EM radiation can disrupt ecosystem by damaging plants and animals. For example, excessive UV radiation can harm phytoplankton, which is crucial to a marine food chain. Change in atmospheric chemistry, EM radiation can trigger chemical reaction in the atmosphere, affecting air quality and potentially contributing to acid rain. Pinuugnay ang mga argumentong nakuha sa mga artikulo sa pahayagan, magazine at iba pa. Ito ay nakapokus sa information gathering, critical analysis, synthesis, critical evaluation, nakapagpapanukala sa mga paaralan na nagpapakita ng aktibong pakikilahok sa mga isyong pampulitikal na nararanasan sa pamayanan at sa bansa. At nakapokus ito sa issue awareness, problem solving, civic engagement, strategic thinking. This is the example of nuclear power plant. Example of nuclear power plant is located on the Morong, Bataan, Philippines.